Yo, what's up, channel? It's your boy, Mr. Pull Up Anywhere. Checking in on y'all. Start by saying God is good all the time. Pull up to the young local neighbor, one of the areas, cigar room. Check and see what we gonna smoke on today. Hang out with the fellas. What's going on, my brother? I'm alright. How you doing today, sir? Cool? Hey. The selection in here is crazy. Crazy selection. Too many. Selection off the chain here, man. Off the chain. This is the cigar room. When I say the selection is off the chain, people, look at this bar. Like, man, this is just insane. Cigars. Yeah, well. Look at this. Just everywhere. Down and down. You wonder. Me personally. Alright, how you doing? Alright. Oh, excuse me. I think me and you both, our clips is taking it with. Let me cover this thing up. Into another room. God, baby. Anyway, this ain't a selection. I don't know what is. This is insane. Look at this shit here. Another little room. Another little room. Cigars. Selections. Like, man, oh man, this is crazy. Everything you could possibly think of. I know I'm moving a little fast because there's just so much in here to show. Go back up out of there.
It's like it's fish.
What's going on, fella? How you doing? All right.
And it's buried in everything.
Yeah. You got chewing tobaccos and can on lighters, cutters, whole nine. Then they got you want to just sit back, chill, hang out. Right, all right. How y'all doing? You got it. All right, how you doing? Chilling. One room, two room. Atmosphere. Culture, atmosphere is off the chain. Off the chain. Me personally, cutters.
Below it says, the piece of cod surpasses all understanding. Yeah.
Drew Estate, man. I like Drew Estates. I like the Tobacs. That's where I'm normally at over here. Is my section. I like these boys here. Let's see. We'll do one of these. That's a Tobac Dolce. Just a Toro. Let's see, and then I'm gonna also do me a Corona single. I normally do me a Fat Bottom Betty, which are up top. Grab me one of those. Let me see. I'll do the Deadwood Fat today. Couple sticks. Go hang out with the guys later. Appreciate y'all. Holla back.